Guys, today I'm going to be playing Animal Hospital. Skip Doctor Dialogues. This is my second time playing. I've heard really good things about it. So, where to go? Oh, we have to serve. I almost forgot. We have to keep our sanity up to 100. I will check the patient. Okay. Yo, does anybody have a mic? I will have to go treat the patient. I'm the best doctor here. Yeah, boy, what you here for? Boy? I said, why you here, Jit? Why you here? Why you standing on the patient's bed? Okay, sir. Yeah, you saw nothing. Get to your bed now. Okay. Take it in. Oh no, that might have hurt, boy. Bust that Jit. Ouch. Sure, bucko. This thing's fast. Faster than you. Okay, Jake, now get out the bed. You bum. You bum. All you need is herbs. Now get up. Recovering sequence. Yeah, boy. What's Jit? You straight, okay? I wanna hear. Dang, you just spawned. What'd you say? I will end up like the others now. Will I? I guess you will not, sir. Okay, where's the next patient? Me and the patient, bro. I'm able to go outside. I'm trapped. I don't like jobs, bro. I'm scared. I'm trapped in a job. I need to get out this job. Oh, -1 job stress. Of course, bro. Who the heck wants to be in a job? Coffee brew. 40 something seconds, bro. I mean, yeah, seconds. Treat patient in room 1. We already did. Oh, there's another one. In room 2, I mean. Hey, legit, what you need? For me, Miss Puff is doing this thing. I dropped. I already know you need that big Jit. Hey. Yeah, Jit, get better now. Wait. Y'all think I just figured out the best thing ever? I do drops. 0 deaths, right? And then, let's go. Let's go, bro. I'm the best. I am the best. Nobody compares to me. I am just better. Okay? What's up? I'm Oreo Haitian. I want to. I'm checking in as a patient. Okay, bum. Mr. We get the forms. Take the photo. I forgot there is a nomination in this game, so might be fried. What's your name? I saw. Oh heck! Boy, they just put me in the alien sandwich. What the heck was that? Oh, bro, I just shook so badly. No way. Okay. No way. 61 +5 coffee. Let's go. I'm ready. Okay, no. Get that anomaly away from me. Hey, you finna be stuck. Yeah, you ain't got no. What was this dang thing? Oh heck. Stop. Okay, open it. Oh heck, no. Get that Jit out. Close this dang door. I'm leaving that other doctor out. Cause we finna survive. Ain't no way we're not. Oh heck. I do not want to see that thing. He had mad face, boy. I'd rather live. I am forever in your debt. Yes, you are, boy. Oh, first I got that trash game was an anomaly. Top secret? What you got in that bag, my boy? What you got in that bag? Just tell me. Tell me now, bitch. I will do surgical things you don't like. Yes. Is something wrong with him? You have to check. You have to check. Yeah, nothing's wrong with him. What are they doing? I'm in room 2. Okay. Hey, get your eyes over here, boy. Get your eyes over here. Yes, sir. Walk in. No, thank you. You will not say thank you to me, you slave. Ouchie. Give your ass some eye drops. Yeah, I'm gonna give your ass some eye drops. Cause why you looking like you just came from a 10-hour shift with that top secret suitcase? Okay, I have you back in herbs. Done. Get to your spot now. Cause I'm out this station. Get out this room. That's what I thought. You too, Mr. Purple Man. Time to do my work on you, boy. They call me the best. That's why I got employee of the month, boyo. Now I'm gonna pause the video till we're closer to the end. Oh, something here. Okay. I thought something big was happening. Never mind. Goodbye. Bro, look at this big bum. He's back with this top secret suitcase self. What is Jake built like he built like AB1 Kenobi for real. AB1 Kenobi. He's singing his ABCs. Nice. I'm gonna pause till like we get closer to the end. Oh shoot, I'm my video still on. Oh shoot. Bro, y'all, I have bad news, bro. We lost the Timmy, bro. We lost the Timmy. Oh wow. Crazy work. Tiny boy. Wait, y'all. Was the video freaking paused or not? Yeah, cause I don't know if that video was paused, but like what? Well, y'all, I'm gonna pause it now. Y'all, we're losing him. Yo, I just unpaused the video, but like, what? We're losing him. Brody, please, don't die on me, my boy. Don't die on me. My boy. Please, my boy. He's stable. Yeah, I thought you were dead. I thought you were about to die, bro. Faker, you fainted on my ground with your dirty pee. With your dirty paws, bitch. Stepping on my full floor. Okay, I just sit here AFK leaving all the work to me. Like, brother, is you straight or not? Oh, I am coming, bro. Chill. Okay, you can stop now. Anomaly. Did your mother not teach you sense? Gosh, bro. Okay, good. All this work to me, bro. Like, what the heck? Stomach ache. Herbs, okay, that's herbs. Them waffles got maple syrup. Who the heck knows? We got some Canadians here. At this time, what they what treatment? Oh, I accidentally gave him the. He was a. Guys, he was an anomaly. Okay, yo, chill, bro. Yeah. Oh, I lost. I'm losing my sanity, bro. Get some coffee for me. I'm scared of the word job. That scared me. You safe, my boy? Don't fuck me up, Jit. What? The negative. Just like your grades. You're a disappointment, Jit. Guess I'm a big black you running this shop. Who cares? My sanity's at 67, Jit. I will come over there if you even try saying the word. Okay, thank you. That kind of lost the patient. Shoot, immediate attention at Doom 3. DNA. Okay, ouch, Jit. Okay. I cannot be running a store by myself. I'm gonna pause this and tell y'all if this thing goes well. Yo, I'm getting my art beat. I'm getting my art beat, bro. No, get away from me. Oh, nah. Sorry, bro. Nah, bro, I'm dead. Bye, y'all. Peace.